In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install the battery on your Toyota Tundra located under your hood. Now with your hood open, you're going to go ahead and locate the battery on the driver's side front portion of the vehicle. We're going to use our 10mm socket on a 1/4" ratchet. We're going to go ahead and loosen and remove the clamping nut here. Now we did spray this down with some rust penetrant. Now loosen that. Get to remove your tool, remove that ground terminal, and set it aside. Pull up on our cap and use our 10mm socket here. You can use a wrench as well. And loosen the bolt here. Wiggle the terminal off, set that aside. On our top battery brace here, we have 2 J-hooks, one on the front, one on the back, and these are held in place with a 10mm socket. Go ahead and loosen that. And when you pull this up, there is a J on the end right here that hooks into a bottom portion of the body down there. And then we have one on the front too. Once this bracket is loose, we can go ahead and spin that out and take that J-hook out. Set that bracket aside. With that hold down bracket out, you go ahead, grab your battery. Lift that up and out. Okay, grab your battery and lower that down into position. Slide that into the plastic tray. Once your battery is situated in the tray, you can go ahead and grab your bracket with the J-hooks. We're going to lower our J-hook down and hook it into the body. Got one side installed there. We'll push this side down and get that lined up. And once you get that J-hook installed in the hole, we can go ahead and tighten down that 10mm nut. Now when tightening down our bracket here, you just want to make sure that the bracket is snug in place. You don't want it to be sloppy, and you don't want to over tighten this as you can damage the battery itself. So just gently snug that down. Give that a wiggle, make sure it's good and secure. Now at this point here, we can install our terminal. I want to start with the positive side. And you want to snug that down. Doesn't have to be super tight, but you want to make sure it's good and snug. And grab that terminal, give it a wiggle, make sure that it doesn't spin. If yours has the cap, go ahead and pop that into place. Install the ground terminal. And snug that down. Get a little wiggle, make sure it's good and tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.